Today, in this tutorial, we are going to create an interactive user interface for my client who trades in gold and needs to keep track of the daily gold rates. I have already started with the basic layout, but I will teach you exactly what you need to do with detailed step-by-step instructions. So, let's jump right into it. First, take a look at the layout here. It contains quite a few labels, and I will show you exactly how to arrange them. We will start with this example form that Gemini created for me. We'll take this as a reference and play around with the different labels first. The user of this form will input 4 different values. First of all, the date, then the gold rates, the total sales for that date, and finally, the total grams sold. Let us create copies of that input box and place them over this beautiful light blue background. We also need a checkbox here for selecting yesterday's rate. Now, I will align them to the center. Looks nice and clean. Let's remove the spacing between them as well to tighten things up. Next up, let me show you how I created this icon. You just need to open any picture file in Paint so we can save it in the exact format accepted by the VBA user form. We will save it as a bitmap, or BMP format. Let's make a copy of this picture frame and insert the icon we just created. We just need to make sure its height is slightly less than the input box. Now, I will create another copy right here to insert this gold bar picture. I will take this opportunity to convert all the remaining icons into bitmap format as well, so they can easily be inserted into our user form. Let us clean this space out a bit. I am going to use this specific label as an information dialog box to show the user instant messages and live feedback. I will adjust this right above these buttons, making sure everything matches up with the exact same height. Now, let's move on to the button section. This one is going to be the cancel button, and this one will be the submit button. Let's change the captions here. I will also place a checkmark icon alongside the submit button, and a cross icon will be placed right inside the cancel button. We also need a dedicated box for the date at the very top. Let's align this to the right, while also making sure it sits perfectly below the main header box. Here, I am adjusting the height of the buttons so that the icons look like they are sitting naturally inside them, ensuring the boundaries don't overlap. Oops, I just accidentally created this box on top of the golden header box. Let me correct that mistake first. There we go. Now it looks incredibly nice and clean. Let us try a test run using my custom ribbon button. It looks good, but as you can see, the caption and the screen tip text are not picking up quite correctly. Let us go back to the form editor and adjust those captions and labels. Let's run it one more time. Perfect! Now it works brilliantly. However, there is still a lot of coding to do behind the scenes to make it fully functional, which I will cover in the very next video. So stay tuned and keep an eye out for the next part. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automation videos just like this one. See you next time!